Today we are going to test the accuracy of three glucometers: Accu Chek, Dr. Morepen Gluco1, and the latest BeatO CURV. We are going to test our blood sugar with all three, and then we are going to compare the results with the lab report. Let's see which one is the most accurate. First, to check with Accu Chek, inserted the strip, ready to put the blood. And there it goes. So my blood sugar is being shown as 158 on the Accu Chek active. This is fasting blood sugar, 158. Now let's do the same with Dr. Morepen. This much blood is generally sufficient for this machine. Let's check it out. So you can see Dr. Morepen is showing my fasting blood sugar at 184, 158 on Accu Chek and 184 on Dr. Morepen at the same time. Now to check with the BeatO CURV, again drawing some blood. That should be sufficient. I've taken my mobile phone, the curve is already connected. Now inserting the strip inside. So it's ready for taking the blood. Now there you go. So you can see the BeatO CURV is showing my blood sugar at 181, which is very close to what Dr. Morepen showed. Accu Chek showed the least, which is 158. Now we'll check with the lab report in some time. So guys, I've got my lab report. I got my fasting sugar check done by Max Labs. As you can see, the fasting sugar in my lab report is shown as 171. Now, Accu Chek gave the sugar as 158. Dr. Morepen gave my sugar as 184, and BeatO gave my sugar as 181. So the closest amongst all three was actually BeatO. BeatO is the one which was the closest, which is 181 versus 171, which is in the lab report. As you can see, 181 versus 171. This is a small test. This test may vary with different people. This is what we found. I hope you find this video interesting and useful.